How to add your initials in Adobe Acrobat. First, head to acrobat.adobe.com and log in. Once you are logged in, click on the All Tools button at the top. This opens a whole list of tools you can use for your PDF. Scroll down and find the Fill and Sign tool. It looks like a little pen. Click on it to open the tool that lets you fill out forms, sign documents, and more. Now, click Select a file to upload the PDF you need to work with. Once uploaded, your document will open in the editor. To add your initials, click on the Sign button at the top. A small menu will pop up. Click on Add Initials. If this is your first time using it, Adobe will ask you to create your signature or initials. Just draw them using your mouse or trackpad, or choose from a saved signature. Once your initials are created, click on the spot where you want them to appear. Drag and drop them to adjust the size or position, making sure they're exactly where you want them. You can move your initials after placing them. Just click and drag them anywhere on the document. And that's it. You have successfully added your initials to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.